1. Hey guys, welcome back to our Mukbang!
Monday Mukbang, sponsored by us. Okay, today we have a huge spread. And I also have my nephew here.
Yeah.
Follow his channel at
Nightmare XD on YouTube.
Okay, and he's also going live over here. So, well, not live. He's recorded on his channel too. So I'm the best auntie. I brought the mini ring light out for him so he can record. And then I have
your big ring, lighting thingy.
No, I have you. Introduce yourself.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm Layla.
Did you really have to stand up? Girl, sit down.
I want to show off my Stranger
they
Things
crazy,
shirt.
y'all.
I want to show off my Stranger Things shirt. Go
Okay, y'all, I didn't do anything to my
Netflix.
hair. I had a wig on, I took it off. It's hot. But, hi, Demir channel. But, today we have, potatoes, corn, eggs, mussels, shrimp.
Crab legs.
Wait, okay. We have corn, potato, eggs, scallops, mussels, crab legs, shrimp, and we have crab sticks. I'm gonna eat myself because I don't really think they like them. And we have the Flavas by Dad sauce. Oh, Dad. Demir never tried it, so it's first time trying it. So Layla is gonna say grace for them, and they're gonna get it in.
All right. Please bow your heads. Dear God, thank you for blessing us with this wonderful food and keeping us alive. I wish you would bless the whole world and our whole family. Amen.
Amen.
All right. That's good.
Alhamdulillah, should I say. If y'all want to, y'all can fast forward the video right now because as other people want to come in and get food, I don't think you want to see that. So give us like 3 minutes. Just fast forward to 3 minutes. It should be good. All right, y'all come get it. Come on, get it. Tell okay, come get it.
Y'all lying. They probably gonna be like, "Ayo, I got it." So
should I back some of this stuff because I feel like we are too bright. You should have changed it. I should have changed it to warm. They're talking about some do this color, whatever.
You put it on.
But can we all hold up something so we can like try to take a thumbnail?
I can get my thumbnail too. I'm gonna hold up my plate. No. I'm gonna hold this corn.
You can hold up the thing of corn. Why don't you hold up the whole bucket?
You special guest in the juice it?
Why don't you just hold up the whole tray?
Oh, the whole entire tray. Oopsie.
Okay. They can't see it. You gotta hold it like this, like I'm holding it. Alright, I think you got it.
Shut up. Let's get our thumbnail. Alright, there you go.
No, you gotta hold one more time. Okay, that's good.
Where am I supposed to?
Wait, there's water on there.
Also, I want to talk about
I'm gonna put some scallops in here. I'm gonna make
a clan channel. Make a new channel. I'm gonna start eating, which is gonna be Lit Clan. If you already know, I'm playing.
My dad can have them.
Keon, Chase, Tavin,
scallops, and put the thing out there.
Brian, I'll name all of them for you. All of them. But that over here, and I'll put their channel in the description.
Yo, what y'all on TV for?
Dad, after you're done with them scallops, put that thing out there.
What?
Yeah.
You can have all them scallops and put the thing in the plate in the sink.
It's called YouTube.
That's too many things.
I'm gonna have to reach all.
We need to put the butter out. Nothing. I tried though. Everybody just eating, so.
Y'all got the thing with the small.
Try the sauce to me.
Thing with the big legs on.
I'm gonna try
Like
this
the big
cocktail
leg.
sauce too. Y'all chicken all over the Don't be sleep on the jet ski.
What?
I don't know why we eating because his hand all up in the camera.
Exactly.
You want an egg and corn?
I don't eat eggs like that.
One corn? Potato?
I don't know what to
Why? Oh, you want potato?
It's spicy.
Too much stuff out there.
It's an egg! And the corn is out there on the thing. And the sauce is out there too.
Let's look at my bathroom.
Come on, Demir, sit down. Y'all not, okay. The ghetto is here. Oh, y'all have some crab sticks in here in the bowl.
I love those.
As you can see, I feel like, can you change that to warm, Layla? At this point in time, it's horrible.
Can someone pass me water?
Pass her water. Because Layla just going in, she not even waiting for us to. This was the worst
That's
thing.
I mean, I already had a pizza.
We have
before.
Arcadia spring water from Giant.
But this is a special guest in their mukbang because I haven't been in any of y'all mukbangs.
Okay.
When
I'm
am I
talking
gonna
too
be in
much.
the vlog?
Talking too much. Less talking, more eating.
I know.
That's what you be telling me in the cafeteria at school.
Mm.
You be like, hey, less talking, more eating.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and pour most of it into my bowl. Can y'all see that?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You said
I'm going
most
to
of
eat
it.
out of that. Mm-hmm.
It's half of it.
I'm gonna do daily uploads.
Most of it is half, I guess you can say. Okay, how about this? How about we just put stuff on the plate? Because I want to get this stuff out my way. Because they can't see anything.
It's that the food too good.
None of y'all eating the mussels.
I'm gonna start taking cooking classes again.
I'm just gonna go in.
I'm gonna do family
Crap, I
consumer
watch
science, and if in high school I can do family consumer science, I'm gonna be good.
Are you talking too much? Okay, I have my
I'm talking-
chopsticks right here. They can't even see me because I have this big plate in my way.
There's my mussel.
You want egg?
Sure.
You already had an egg.
No one's eating it.
Demir, move that on the thing so we can have some room
I'm like,
Let me eat
chair.
some
on the chair,
mussels.
please.
Let me show you the mussel.
You are
Hey, Dad!
Ew, so down. I'm doing a video
Edit
right
this
now.
out.
Lord.
I mean, they can see him.
It messed my whole video up.
I know, because she wilding. What's that thumbnail?
Boy, I'm
Don't be
sick
quiet.
already. So we're doing a mukbang. Shh. He talks.
Alright, I think I know how to do these.
Oh, you got it.
Right here.
I'm recording too.
You can use chopsticks. That's so cool.
Not really.
You're doing good though.
So spicy. What'd you do with this?
I didn't do that. Frank did that.
Yeah,
that's
Pop
his
did it. Potato.
It's just more of a sign up than like. This is what they do in
I can't
mukbang.
use chopsticks. I can't use them.
Oh crap. I'm dropping the egg.
I told you I can't use them.
Also, I'm thinking about doing prank videos.
On who? Well, you pranked me, I chased you down. I cracked these eggs.
I never tried to boil eggs. I don't know if it's good or bad.
I almost dropped my egg and catched it.
Now this is how you properly crack it. You got to crack it.
We
That's
drank,
how
the
you
same,
properly
we
crack
drank our water bottles at the same time and then put them down at the same time. I'm gonna get myself a crab leg.
I don't know what
Dad, the good thing about these mukbangs is you don't have to make us dinner.
It's Korean.
Ah,
No, it's
I can't. I ain't that strong. I'm just kidding.
You know, want me to crack it?
Yeah, it's so hard. The other one was easy. That was an easy crack. Here it is.
Huh?
I'm gonna dip this one time.
Look how big that is. Huh?
If we had the very large crab legs, man, that was like,
Oh, the mallet thingy?
The crab cracker claw thing.
Oh.
that's spicy.
This? This, Dad?
The joint is
Mm-mm.
spicy.
It looks something like that, but not that.
But for real though, my main channel, I'm gonna do more vlogs.
Dad, aren't you going to use
I
chopsticks?
might do a vlog in school, which that's gonna be hard to do because I ain't trying to get caught. I ain't gonna do it in class.
Can I try chopsticks?
It's gonna be a lunch.
I'm gonna try some
Where I
chopsticks.
just chill out.
Like my
with all
Chinese
friends.
aunt.
But the sad thing
You were
is,
talking too much.
hey, they like when I talk, right?
No,
Or they like when they
not in
talk.
mukbangs. They don't.
All right, how do you? So they just eat.
Just.
Some ASMR. I never.
You tried eating noodles with chopsticks a few years ago?
I'm scared to try
Mhm.
this. Is it just the egg or is it just disgusting? Oh, it smells bad.
Hmm? Mm-mm. You can dump it out.
How do you?
It's a double
I'm
egg,
sorry
right?
to all those Chinese people out
Look at
here.
boiled egg.
I cannot use your
Yes.
chopsticks. How do you? Oh my god.
This is nasty.
How do you hold it? It's just like you just. The poor potato. I'm damaging it.
It just tastes like egg, but when like
How
first
do I
bite,
do
you know.
it. I'm digging into a potato. Alright, I'm gonna hold it like you. Okay. Oh, I did it the wrong. Yeah, I did it the wrong way.
So the only videos
That's
I'll
why
do
I've
is
been
mukbang or like.
doing it so bad. I've been holding it the wrong way. I still can't do it. Auntie, how do you teach me?
I don't know how to do it. Let's put this on here.
Okay. So technically, you're just balling over there. I got it.
I'm gonna drop this.
I dropped the potato in the sauce.
Bro, you gonna get in my video? Bro, you better not try to get in my video.
Oh my gosh.
Bro, you ate like half of the.
Crush it, bruh.
Oh my god.
Crush it, bruh.
Jermaine, you're not even eating this right. Look at all that meat you got left behind.
Oh, bro.
I quit.
I'm cutting that out.
This.
Nah, bro, you can't.
Yes, I can.
Nah.
But have you seen my edits?
Bro.
I
Yeah.
just stuck the chopstick.
Yeah.
You got all these crab meat in here. You getting out my video.
Dang. And that's how it be in these videos? Alright, bet. I mean, all this crap.
Come
What
on.
I did to my potato.
Layla.
Yeah. Alright. I'm sitting back down. Just gonna use my hands again.
Bro, why you over here?
You don't eat the crab right, bro.
Have you seen your hands and everything in it?
Bro, you don't eat the crab no, bro. You don't eat the crab right.
No, you can dump it out.
I never struggled to open up a mussel until today.
That's spicy. Like,
We should get a sponsor.
I should get a sponsor.
Y'all should eat.
I am. I'm eating more than you.
Your water bottle's in the way.
Oh my gosh.
I'll set it down on the floor. Is
Eat
that
some
what you
mussels.
do?
I ain't eating mussels. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, nobody's eating the mussels except for me. I'm gonna go for another crab leg. I haven't ate one in a long time.
Don't get him more crab legs. He's not even eating them right. Look all this meat he got in there.
Dang. And then you're just gonna eat it?
You see that big piece of meat I put out?
Look at this crab leg meat.
Look at all that.
Yeah, guys, one, two.
Hello.
Mm-hmm.
Got what?
Your phone.
Oh. We all put ours on the floor. Finally, I get the note on things so I don't have to almost get the sauce on my fingers. Love that. Everybody keeps roasting them here.
Not in my videos though.
I'm gonna have to edit this real good because y'all messed my video up.
Nah, you messed it up.
Once Demir got here, he ruined it. It was fine the other time.
All this meat he left behind.
You're gonna have to teach him how to eat now.
Whatever.
Did you guys trash bag full?
Hmm.
Is your trash bag full over there?
Mm-mm. What's yours? You got one behind you.
Oh, I was just wondering because I had to throw it. I had stuff in the trash. Ouch, ouch, ouch. See,
Hey, I put the money count on.
On my lunch account, I only had $9 today.
I have $5 and something cents.
Hey, my lemon. I forgot I had lemon.
Ooh,
I had it in the shade, girl.
what do you do with the lemons?
Put it on my
I'm gonna try to get on Dr. Phil for free clout.
Oh, let me tell you guys a fact about me. I am I'm just really talented. I have multiple talents. Weird things with my tongue. I'm a singer. I'm a dancer. Yeah, I just do lots of. Oh, I'm also an actor. I'm in Lion King, the play.
Really?
Yes, I'm in Lion King.
You know what I'm doing this summer?
I told you I got in.
Playing video games.
Yes.
Nope.
If Dad ever meets my parents,
I'm gonna go
My
on my
friend's
biggest
parents?
vacation and vlog it, and I'm also getting a GoPro, which is gonna be waterproof, so I can put it in the pool.
my dad's probably gonna meet my friend's parents, and then I'm probably gonna invite them over. We're gonna have a party. And I'm waiting for the Stranger Things season 4 announcement during the summer. They're gonna announce the date this summer. I want some more corn, so I'll go get some. Want a piece of corn?
I got a piece.
Oh, you just grabbed it.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm?
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Mm-hmm. I want a piece.
One more piece
Mm-hmm.
for you. Oh, they're warm still. Ooh, could I try a crab stick and sauce? Okay, thank you. It's easy to break corn.
You break your bone?
Yes. Cause my bowl's a little bit small. Well, a lot smaller than yours.
They're gonna go on you on your video because you just keep getting out and dancing. Get me some more shrimp.
I keep forgetting about this.
I don't know what else is here. More shrimp and crab legs.
The only thing I haven't ate is shrimp and scallops. I don't like scallops. But shrimp is like one of my favorites.
You didn't get a shrimp?
No.
Uh-huh.
But thank you.
Did y'all watch the Royal Rumble last night?
Oh, we won that bet versus Pop Out.
We didn't even give a moment to Kobe Bryant.
Oh yeah.
I forgot.
Everybody was thinking about him today at school. That's so sad.
Yeah.
And if you don't know what we're talking about the death of Kobe Bryant and his 13-year-old daughter from a helicopter crash or a plane crash. Helicopter?
Mm-hmm.
Helicopter crash. On the way to I think a game for his daughter or him.
I think it's for his daughter, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think
Yeah,
it
his
was a game for
13-year-old
his daughter.
daughter died with him.
And I feel bad for the other people who also died in that helicopter crash. And let's just hope that Kobe Bryant's family is okay now, because it's so sad to lose some people in your family, and losing a daughter, a sister, or granddaughter, that's sad. Also losing your son, husband, whatever. So let's just send a blessing to his family too.
That was good, Layla.
Okay. See, I'm a nice person. I'm nice. Like, I feel like. See, I hope kids.
We forgot all about the mirror chair over here. Me and Layla just.
Yeah, me too.
I
keep forgetting about
some
it.
music. I hope I don't get copyright. Actually, I can't because I'm not monetized yet. Let's go. I'm not monetized yet until I hit 100 subscribers. I will be.
All right.
And then after I hit 100 subscribers, I hit 1K.
Today was the
1,000
grossest thing in science class that we had to talk about for health class, because I have health class when I do science class at my school.
We got health class now?
Yeah, there's always been a health class. In science class for fourth grade and Miss Clary's. That's my teacher. Shout out to Miss Clary. She's like the nicest teacher ever.
She probably even watch it. She doesn't know about your channel.
So, literally, we have to learn about our body parts and how to keep our body parts safe now.
Yeah,
In
family
fourth
life.
grade, yeah, that's what it was called. That's what me and Laura were thinking about. Like, it was called something life. It's called
Oh
family
yeah, we
life.
got gym on Monday. I'm gonna be recording secretly.
Oh no! Oh, I do
We'll
not
get
want to
some.
learn about this because I already know about it.
Actually, if
So-
I do, then if y'all see this, call 911. I'm just kidding. I do too much.
Hi, Demir's channel. Hey.
Bye, Demir's channel. Yeah.
Bye, Demir's channel.
Give me a potato. Demir.
A potato to around.
I was just about to sing that every time someone said potato, but like, no.
Oh, this is good.
Are you guys going to my Lion King play?
Mm-hmm.
I am recording.
Are you coming? You want to record it, Demir? My favorite song in Lion King is Be Prepared. I can do the whole song right now, but I don't know if we'll get copyrighted. Will we get copyrighted? If
I look ghostly.
I mean, oh no, I got a question. Are you monetized on YouTube?
No.
Alright, so I guess when you hit 150 subscribers or 100K, that's when you actually monetized.
150?
Yeah, 150.
That was 1,000 followers.
Or 1,000. subscribers. That's when you actually get monetized. I'm gonna play some Logic while I'm eating.
Start over this way.
And I'm gonna speed this clip up a little bit. And then when I'm actually full, I'm gonna end it like that.
Y'all, when he posts this mukbang, y'all go watch the comments. Because they're going to go on here and be like, you ain't eating nothing, you talk the whole time.
I would say would.
People say I talk a lot, and I barely talk through this whole video, right? I
I'm
talk a little
surprised.
bit.
I'm surprised. Cause what you do off camera,
What you do off camera?
what I do
You said-
off camera,
You say something about me, I say something about you.
what I do
You
off
play
camera,
that game.
all I do is play video games.
No. I'm going to tell everybody what you do at home. You say something about me, I say something about you.
Frank, you had enough?
And when I say
Video.
something,
Man,
I
you already
always
know
know
it's just that water that filled them up. If your stomach hurting and you can't eat no more, nah, your stomach get hurting, just your body filled up with water. Keep on eating.
What you talking about?
No, I'm joking. Don't do that. Don't do that. That's unhealthy. And it'll make you sick.
You're unhealthy.
What do you mean? I'm healthy every day. I'll be going in the gym, playing basketball, shooting threes all green. No 2K19 or 20.
Do you eat
I'm
fruits and
fearless.
vegetables? Do you eat your vegetables?
Yes, at school I do.
He lying.
How am I lying? How would you know?
Uh-huh.
Do you eat your vegetables at home?
Nope.
I eat fruits, vegetables, I exercise.
I burn half of my energy on playing video games. You didn't know that?
That's your nephew.
Hold on. Science fact, real smart than me. I'm gonna make the character, right? My character's gonna be smart, Dr. Demir Smart's Pants. Alright? That's who's gonna be in my vlog. Or
Can you give me another water can?
My skits are gonna just be Dr. Smart Demir
I still
Pants.
have some. I always have something in my chin when I do mukbang. It's like always corn. Make sure I don't have any food left on my plate so I can dump it in the trash. Because I don't like wasting food.
Got two spoons.
Thank you, Father. When I waste food, it makes me want to cry.
For kids in Africa. I ain't joking around like kids in Africa don't actually eat. Which one time I did donate something.
They also
It's
have to
elementary
walk
school,
so
I
far
was
to
like
get water.
Great.
We should do like a cancer awareness for children. We should do fundraisers for this channel so we can raise money to help kids in hospitals.
Mm-hmm.
Because some kids are really suffering out there, and we need to donate money so they can probably find a cure or something, or give these kids some help.
Oh yeah, if you can't get the crab meat out, all you gotta do, watch this. Grab this part. If you have a spare crab leg, grab
Can you
this
pick me
part,
up,
stick it to the
Wednesday?
meat, and then there you
Daddy?
go.
Please,
Watch, it'll work. Watch this.
can you pick me up from musical theater Wednesday, please?
I'm telling you, it works. All you gotta do is do this. Put it to the other end.
So you can be my BFF's mom.
There you go. Told you, it worked.
Ooh,
See,
this muscle is
smart
like
IQ.
different from ours.
100,000 IQ right
It's like kind of transparent. Wait, what does transparent mean?
Hmm?
This is gonna be a quiz. What does transparent mean?
Not visible
That means invisible.
or see through. See,
Transparent
I'm
means
smart. Y'all actually thought I was dumb. Just kidding.
all right. I'm gonna dump my plate now.
I ain't
I
dumb.
wanna get rid of
You
my
really think I'm dumb? I'm hopped up for no reason, and after this, I'm gonna have to prepare another
We're
video.
not even in the camera anymore.
You said what?
What?
Huh?
Huh?
What you say?
What?
What you say?
Bye. It works on everybody.
If y'all know that reference, comment down below what show that is. To all my OGs, y'all know what show that is. You know what I'm talking about. You know.
Demir, how about you tell everybody what OG means?
The OG, double OG. That means OG.
Put that in the bag.
It means original gangster.
Did you like the crab
I
legs?
know.
Yeah.
That's what I say. In ghetto language.
Not good now.
But you know something about people speak ghetto language.
They're not good.
Huh? They are. I just don't like
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
What you know about how would you explain to everybody what ghetto
Give me a
means?
potato.
Ghetto means the ghetto. I'm in the ghetto.
Give me a
Rat-ta-ta-ta.
Dad raised him.
I have a potato. Rat-ta-ta-ta.
Dad raised this kid again.
See, one day, when I hit my 100 subscribers, and I started
Y'all
doing
talk
live
about this
streams,
whole video.
Yeah, sorry.
it's mostly me who's talking. See, I talk.
Ooh,
And
can I
I
have
walk.
use a lemon? What do you put
Talk.
lemons on?
And I walk the walk.
I'll try lemons on muscle.
Plus, when I edit this video, it's gonna be some spicy.
Please.
Nah.
For the viewers, I want to see people eat. I'm so sorry, y'all.
I'm sorry too for him.
You was talking a lot too.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry,
No more-
guys. I didn't mean to talk a lot.
Y'all, tell them farewell because this will be the last time of them participating in mukbangs with me.
Whew. When did our mukbang start getting bad? Who joined?
Not me.
Alright. Just less talking to me.
It's a 35-minute video. The longest video I ever made.
Well, you had an hour-long live stream. Shush. 2 hour long, actually.
No, I got the longest live stream ever. That was 14 hours.
All right, one more mukbang. I mean, one more thumbnail.
I'm gonna have an outro.
Can you get in the video if you want? Alright. Something on my chair.
Nothing in the chair.
Oh. Somebody shook the camera. Why is the camera shaking?
Cause
Table.
it just goes. Wow!
Thank God for Keon.
So this is part 2 of my same video. Cause Keon decided to call me.
That's
right?
embarrassing.
He decided to FaceTime me, right?
Y'all, I'm sorry for this horrible mukbang. I would never invite them and another mukbang.
Me? It was him. He made me do.
Stop banging the thing on the table.
Alright, I'm sorry, guys.
What are you? Stop scooting the thick arms.
Demir's also scooting the table.
What do you
So-
mean?
I'm also sorry, guys, for talking a lot. I didn't mean to.
Not nature.
I'm gonna eat a couple more mussels.
This is hurting my stomach a little bit.
Don't eat no more crab legs. Get the shrimp, because you done made a mess. You didn't even eat none. Look at this.
Calf level. Calf level.
Eat what your brother left behind.
I'm about to be done anyway.
I didn't really eat anything. I know. But this just be called the YouTube life, so.
Look at all
One
that.
more.
You is not eating more crab. Look all that meat left in them crab legs.
Just give it to me.
Huh.
One more shrimp.
I'm gonna give
and
it to
then
you.
my video's over.
Crab meat. Just drop it.
Cause Keon decided at the worst time ever.
Who talked more during this video? Me or Demir?
Oh, yeah, I'm doing a vlog in school tomorrow. I'm gonna try not to get caught. I mean, it's gonna be hard anyway.
You see all that meat left in there?
Alright, that's for my last. So,
Get out of here. Cut that off, huh? Clean that stuff up.
so that is my last thing of the mukbang.
Before you go to sleep tonight.
Yep.
What?
Going to school smell like crabs. People be laughing at you.
People
So,
already
come on.
laugh at
Dump,
me.
dump that in the
I'm
bag,
about to
Amir.
do my outro. You interrupted me.
Boy, shut up.
So, I'm done with the mukbang on their side. I don't even know. But on my side,
We lit over here.
Yeah, we lit.
so
Oh, and thanks to everybody that subscribed. We are at 109 subscribers.
Yes, and thank you for the nice comments on our last mukbang together. You guys are so nice. Should we do
I'm
giveaways?
done. So.
Hmm?
Should we do giveaways for these people?
Also, I'm uploading a Mortal Kombat video and a Batman
We should.
video. 'cause
If you
on
guys
28th,
give us more
Joe
views and
comes
more
out in a new
subscribers,
Batman
we
skin
might
for
be getting
Night.
giveaways.
Someone do
This
that.
might, if you guys keep.
Well, I should
Do
When you get a job? You get a job?
So,
So, you guys better
That is
hit
the end
that
of my
subscribe
video.
button,
and
click that like button,
tell me in the comments if you
and
like
then
my new
hit the
outfit.
notification bell so you know when we're posting new videos.
It won't come out.
I'm professional.
What?
It won't come out.
You gotta pull it.
Like this.
Hold the thing. First before you do anything,
Who
huh?
puts a claw in
Dump
there?
that tray.
Dare put a claw in it.
I told you. 200 IQ. I ain't doing no dishes tonight. Because I'm going to be doing the dessert.
What I tell you to do before you go to sleep, just go do it now.
No. Him. I'm not done.
Bring that dish over.
Much better without Crazy Boy. Don't you think?
Didn't know what to do since day one. Oh, there you go. Finally got it out.
Oh, let's go back to the comment thing. When I was
Wash
reading,
your grubby hands. Move.
when I was reading the comments on our last mukbang together, you guys almost made me cry of how nice you guys are. And I'm just gonna say, keep up the work, keep being kind, and stay awesome. What do you have to say about it?
I said what I had to say.
What are you gonna say about the comments?
I'm cool.
I'm not.
You ain't eat nothing.
Yes, I did.
We're busy talking.
Transparent. I'm taking handfuls of mussels.
Keep her dirty clothes out of the way. Mom.
She threw one of her outfits on the stairs. She dropped it. Oh.
Hey.
Yeah, I'm getting full.
If you hear noise in the background, we're sorry. We live with like 5 people and 7 people in total in this house. Including both of us, it's 7. I feel like it's really crazy. when I'm telling the truth.
Yeah, I'm full.
I'm close to being full. I'm so excited for my play. It's in April. My play's in April, so you might want, if you have work that day, you might want to take off. Because this play is going to be amazing. Dad is forced to go because he's taking me. And we don't have backups.
Where's
So-
backups?
Like, backup actors in case someone can't make it and they're like an important person in the play.
Mm.
You need a backup person. And we don't have that in musical theater. So I don't think it ever happened. I think like the less important people in the play. I'm not saying nobody's important, but like the main characters, the people who not the if they leave it probably doesn't matter.
Alright, y'all. I'm done.
I know. Will you do the outro? 44 minutes for this one. We're sorry that it was not the way we planned it.
Alright, y'all.
Thanks for watching our mukbang.
I ain't got no energy, y'all.
And yeah. And we're
Don't
so
forget to like, comment, subscribe.
and hit that notification bell.
I don't know what to say. I think that's it, right?
Oh, and shout out to my brother, Nightmare Demir. So you go check out his channel.
I'm playing. Go ahead.
I guess do it. If he really deserves it for ruining our mukbang. So bye!